there are other people who look at the same environment and they say, well, hang on a sec, we have abundance, we have even more cause to distribute resources more. So, I mean, even within a particular environment, there's not necessarily one right answer as to what we should be doing, which gets to that curly term moral relativism, which is one of the most misunderstood terms in philosophy. But at least we can agree, perhaps, that there can be a multitude of different systems and rules that can help us to live well and live alongside each other in the kind of society we're living at the moment. There's not just one right answer, even here.
Across the table, can I have a word with you? Doc was,
Just head to abc.net.au/conversations.
Haiti have arrested the former security chief of President Jovenel Moïse, who was assassinated 3 weeks ago. Around his confinement in a prison near the capital. International donors have been urged to help rebuild the shattered city of Raqqa in northeast Syria. It was once the capital of the Islamic State group's self-declared caliphate. The aid agency Save the Children says young people are among those living in the ruins with little access to education or basic necessities. The Amazon founder Jeff Bezos has offered NASA a discount of $2 billion.